Costa Ricans prepare for the worst as Hurricane Otto bears down on the small Central American country. Hundreds of families in low-lying coastal areas left their homes as the storm churned just off the East Coast.
Floods can last 30 days in Barra Colorado, and we are taking advantage of the government having sent planes, boats, and everything to evacuate.
Even before making landfall, Hurricane Otto dumped heavy rains on some areas of Costa Rica, leading to flooding. Costa Rica's president declared a state of emergency.
The situation is critical in the Barras area, where there is torrential rain in this part of the country. It has also started to rain in other areas.
Heavy wind and rain slammed into neighboring Panama on Tuesday, leaving a trail of destruction. Government officials said about 50 houses were destroyed by mudslides. At least 3 people were killed in Panama by the effects of Hurricane Otto, both by falling debris, mudslides, and flooded rivers. Nicaraguans along the Caribbean coast also prepared for the possibility of flash floods and mudslides. Many still remember a hurricane that hit in 1988, killing more than 200 people.
I pray to God that it doesn't happen the same thing. We are all getting prepared. People are aware of what's happening.
Otto is the strongest Atlantic hurricane that's ever been recorded so far west and so far south. Bad news for Central Americans now bracing for the impact. David Mercer, Al Jazeera.